Hey guys, welcome back to Fit After 50. Welcome to today's workout. Today we have a nice functional core workout. So a little bit of a story to this. Yesterday I was doing the spring cleanup, doing a little bit of yard work, pulling a bunch of weeds and things like that, raking needles and leaves, whatever's left over from the winter. It was actually quite nice outside yesterday. This morning I got up sore as hell. Everything hurt, my core hurt, my lower back hurt, my legs hurt, kneeling down, getting up, and all that jazz, right? So I kind of said to myself, I gotta start doing more functional work because this is ridiculous. Benching, squatting, whatever, that's all great and fun. We can still do that, but just more functional stuff. So hence today's workout, functional core. 5 different exercises, 15, 9, 6, and 3 reps per exercise. Just follow along with me. You're gonna need a dumbbell or a kettlebell. That's all there is to it. I'll see you guys in about 5 seconds. Hey guys, welcome back. Exercise number 1, squat and twist. So grab your dumbbell or your kettlebell, whatever you got. I'm using 15 pounds for this. This is not going to be pretty because of the story you heard earlier in the intro. Anyway, it's gotta get done either way. We're going for 15 repetitions of squat and twist. You guys ready? 3, 2, 1, squat down, out, twist, and back. And that's 1. Down, and I'm sure I'll squat better eventually. Right now they're ugly. Down. That's 3. Down. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. 5 more. 1. 2. 3. 2 more. 1 and 2. All right, we're not wasting time. We're going to kneeling choppers, 15 on each side. So kneel down, grab your weight. We're going for 15. Ready? Nice and controlled. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 1, 2. Keep it up. 3. Work with me. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And that's 10. 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. Last one. 5. Take a breather. Breather's over. Switch sides. 15. Ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 5 more. Let's go. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All right, stay right on the ground. We're doing the pull through. Get in your best plank position. 15 pull throughs, all right? 1, 2, 3. Let's not waste any time. And let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Oh yeah, this fatigue definitely builds. All right, inchworm, 15. Not very flexible, so I bend my knees quite a bit. Once again, if I can do it on camera, I look like a fool. You guys can do it at home, even if you're less flexible than me. All right, let's go. Walk it out, no push up. And that's 1. Going for 15. 2. 3. 4, 5, keep it up. 6, 7, 8, more than halfway there now. 1 more for 10. And that's 10, 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 more. Well, get out. And 5. All right, now we'll take a little break. About 1 minute or so. Going through the same thing again, but this time only 9 repetitions of each. A lot easier. Then we'll drop it down to 6 and 3 and call it a day. How does that sound? Whew. So yeah, definitely paying for the yard work yesterday. There's more yard work coming today. As soon as I finish filming this, have a little lunch, and then we'll hit it once again. Today's a little easier, just cutting the grass. That I don't mind doing, however. That's kind of fun. I don't know. I find it relaxing. Maybe because there's a motor on the lawnmower, and I like engineering things. Anyway, we have another 20 seconds or so left. Let's catch our breaths. We're going to squat and twist. We're doing 9 reps. 4 sets altogether today. Good cardio workout, good functional workout. I've been trying, like I said, doing more and more of these type of workouts that are just gonna get me a little more mobile and strength where I need it, not where I don't. All right, having said that, squat and twist, 9 repetitions. Grab your dumbbell, kettlebell, gallon of jug of milk, gallon of jug. Anyway, let's get going. Ready in 3, 2, 1, squat. Oh, much better. Much more mobile second time around. 1, 2, it might not look like in camera, but I sure feel it. 3, 4, 5, 4 more. 1, 2, 3, and 4. On one knee. 9 chapters. So you guys ready to go? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There we go. 7, 8, and 9. Switch sides. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 more. And 9. Stay right down here playing pull throughs. 9 of them. Ready? And let's go. 1. 1 more. And there we go. All right. I think we're inch warming. 9. Ready? Let's go. 2. 3. Keep it up. 4. 5. 4 more. 1. 2. 2 more. 1. 1 more. And 2. Whew. All right, let's take a minute and we'll move on. So yes, less repetitions. Next one, 6 reps. So I'll go by a little bit quicker. Whew. Oh yeah, definitely functional core. This is gonna be hurting more and I'm out of breath. So bonus. I was not like this, by the way, when I was doing yard work yesterday. I took my time. Still feeling it today. How you guys doing? Hey, if you're enjoying this workout, you don't have to do it now. When you're done, give a thumbs up, leave a comment down below. Don't forget to like, it means a lot to me because I know you enjoy the workout. It also means a lot to the YouTube algorithm, so they'll push the workout out more. I can get more views, I'll be happier to make more workouts for you then. You know, trying to spread the joy, right? That's what we're trying to do. All right. Squat and twist, guys. Squat and twist for 6 repetitions. You guys ready to rock and roll with me? 3, 2, 1, squat, twist. Oh boy, that feels so much better. Squat, twist. 4. 1 more. That's it. On the knee. Choppers. Ready? 6. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ready? And let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pull throughs. 6 of them. Plank position. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And inchworm. Just 6. Ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 more. 1. 1 more. And 2. And even though we only have 1 set left, and it's only gonna be 3 repetitions, we are still taking on 1 minute break. Whew. So I never condemn any type of workout, guys, ever. If you want to power lift, you power lift. You want to run, you run. You want to walk, jog, swim, lift heavy weights, do cardio, do HIIT workouts, whatever it is, as long as you do something. But like I said, I've been noticing that these type of workouts, for me personally, are much more important than just weightlifting workouts. I still like doing those, but this is where the benefit really comes to. The other ones are nice, they make you feel good and all pumped up and ready to rock and roll. But these are where I think where the real benefit lies for, like I said, especially for me. I'm 53, I'm gonna be 54 in June. This is where I get the most benefit out of this type of work. We have 10 more seconds, 1 more set, only 3 reps, and then we are finito. All right. Grab that dumbbell. Freaking hey, you better be warmed up by now. Let's go. 3 reps, ready, nice and good ones. Down, twist. 1, 2, 1 more. 3 choppers. Still good form. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Switch sides. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Pull throughs.
plank position. 3 reps. Ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3. And inch warming out. 3 reps. Let's go. 1, 2, and 3. That's it. We're done. I'm done. I hope you guys enjoy this functional core workout because this stuff works for me. I hope to do more of it. There'll be more of it on the channel if I get a good response to this. If you guys enjoy the workout, let me know once again by leaving a comment or a thumbs up or both. I appreciate it both. My name is Paul. This is Fit After 50. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you guys during the next workout.